Cześć, nazywam się
Hi,
Mateusz,
my
a
name is
dziś
Matthew.
przedstawię Wam
Today,
najbardziej
I'm
aktualną
excited to present
wersję
the
naszej
latest version of
aplikacji
our
Cownt,
app,
która
Cownt.
powstała, aby przyspieszyć
It was
życie
created to speed up, simplify, and bring a new level of quality to the hoof trimming and lameness treatment industry for dairy cattle. One of the app's biggest assets is its accessibility and easy installation. You can download it via Google Play. It works on basically all mobile devices for anyone with a Google account. Once downloaded, you can select a trial period. If that's not enough, feel free to send us a private message and get in touch. Take your time to decide if the app truly speeds up and simplifies your daily work. Once you decide that the app improves your workflow, you can choose a subscription plan. We offer two types, monthly and annual. Let me show you the workspace screens and how to use Cownt. At the bottom, we have 4 icons representing the app's main views. First, on the left is the Start screen. Here, we enter our data as hoof trimmers and the client's data. We also have a client search feature. If they are already in the system, a bar appears and you simply select them from the list. In the middle of the Start screen, you see live data about the current trimming session. This includes time, number of cows, blocks, bandages, or any emergencies requiring veterinary checks. You can also enter any specific notes here. On the right side of the Start screen, you'll find a history of all previous visits. Clicking on any visit displays basic data: the trimmer who performed the work, the farmer, the number of cows, and the start and end times. From here, you can resume a session or regenerate a summary in PDF format. Now, let's look at the most important screen for a hoof trimmer. This is where we input animal numbers. We select the limbs we are treating and register any conditions. For today's presentation, let's assume we have a patient with the number 997. She has issues with both front legs. Let's assume she has digital dermatitis. We mark the condition, apply a bandage, confirm it in the app, and that's it. Click Next Cow. Okay, now let's do a real combo. Enter the lady number 112. She has 2 sick front legs, digital dermatitis and bandages, just like the previous one. But on the rear right leg, we find a sole ulcer. We apply a block and a bandage. Then we lift the left leg, and it turns out it's also ulcerated. At that moment, we remember the farmer asked for tail trimming and dehorning. Click Next Cow, and just like that, the lady leaves the chute, happy and waiting for her next checkup. If you aren't sure if animal number 997 was saved correctly, or if you marked the right conditions, don't worry. You can go back to that cow, press Modify, and review what you did. If everything matches reality, just click Next Cow and nothing changes. The next view is the client list, featuring comprehensive statistics and analysis of the trimming performed. For example, let's click on this client. Tap the chart icon to generate a pie chart. If you click on specific data, say 11 bandages applied, a radar chart appears below. This signals which limbs were affected more frequently by specific conditions. Based on this, you can draw conclusions and suggest to the farmer what problems they might have in their facility. You can also track the effects of your work. Next is our Cloud Sync panel. This handles data synchronization between devices in a team or exchanging reports between different crews and companies. From my experience and yours, I know this is vital when 2 or 3 teams work on one facility and the farmer needs a single report in Excel or PDF. This panel merges those reports into one, sends them to the farmer, allows for analysis, and keeps the data secure. Now it's time to present our newest tool from the last update, the Cownt portal. Our goal was to keep all working data on the tablet, but allow synchronization with the portal if you want to. Once uploaded to the portal, you can view all reports and herd data from any device, anywhere. The farmer can do this too as soon as they get their login details. Using the Cownt portal in a web browser is very clear and simple. It won't cause problems, even for older farmers, as long as they have internet access. We are incredibly delighted that you stayed until the end of the video. We encourage you to download the app, subscribe to this channel and get in touch with us. See you soon.